Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your payout history on Airbnb. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your device. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Tap on the More option located in the bottom menu. This will take you to a screen where you can access various settings and features for your Airbnb account. Once you're on the More page, look for Account Settings and tap on it. This is where you can manage all your personal account preferences, security settings, and payment information. The Account Settings menu gives you control over how your Airbnb profile operates and lets you customize your experience on the platform. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Payments section. Tap on Payments to proceed. This is the central hub for all your financial activity on Airbnb, including how you receive money from guests and manage your payout methods. It's where you can view everything related to your earnings and payment settings. Now, within the Payments section, tap on Transaction History. This option gives you a detailed breakdown of all your financial transactions on Airbnb. It's incredibly useful for keeping track of your earnings, seeing when payments were processed, and managing your finances as a host. After tapping Transaction History, scroll down through the page. As you scroll, you'll notice two main categories, Upcoming and Paid. The Upcoming section shows you all the payouts that are scheduled to be sent to you soon but haven't been processed yet. The Paid section displays all the payouts you've already received, giving you a complete history of your earnings from Airbnb hosting. And that's it. You can now easily view your complete payout history on Airbnb, including both upcoming and completed payments. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.